Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. And today I will be showing you how I created little horn hair clips. So I think they turned out pretty cool, so here we go. Okay, so for this project you're going to need some clay of your choice and then some paint if you would like to color the clay. Now, you can just buy colored clay, but for me I just have white clay that I'm just going to be coloring black. So all I'm going to do is just squish the clay around a little bit, flatten it out, make a little hole for the paint, and then add in a little bit of paint. That was a lot. Okay, well, when you do it, you only need a little bit. Now your hands might get a little messy, just a forewarning unless you want to wear gloves, but it's too late for me now. There's no going back. So I'm just going to roll this around in my hand until I get a nice color, and I'm going to color my hands while I'm at it. Once I have the clay a nice color that I will like, I will split it into two somewhat equal parts, as equal as I can get them, and then I'm going to create little horns. Now these horns can be any shape you'd like. I was simply going to just create a little horn shape, I don't know, maybe like this. Maybe not. Maybe, you know, it's your creation. You can do whatever you want with it. I probably should have looked up like a nice horn idea. I did not think this through. But either way, it can be whatever shape you want it to be. So they could stick straight up, they can curve, they can pretty much do whatever you want. I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to create a horn shape and then I'm going to twist it. Not like that. Now I'm going to create another one and I'm going to let them dry. And gravity is probably going to make them droop a little bit, so I'm just going to be okay with that. Yep, there it goes. There it goes. Okay, so the horns are finally dried and now I'm going to attach them to these little hair clips. Now you can paint them if you want. I'm going to leave mine the color that I dyed them, but that's completely up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these clips and I'm going to hot glue one of these felt circles that I created onto it. Right, kind of like that. And I don't have to worry about it being messy up here because I will be gluing the horn onto it. So it's really no big deal. Alright, and then I'm just going to add some hot glue onto the top of them. Alright, and there you go. Two little horn clips. I am going to let these dry for a little while though, but they are pretty much done. That is it. So that is how I created the two little horn hair clips. I'm very happy with them. I think they turned out really cute, and again, you can paint them or make them whatever color you want. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!